So apps have always amused me. I've always thought to myself how much I would love to have my own personal app on the App Store. Uh, if a game, a software, anything, just something that I had designed myself. But the problem was, I assumed I'd have to suffer through some grueling computer science degree and years of training if I ever wanted to get to that point. Then I found this awesome software called Apploadyou, and it is genuinely the easiest program to learn. It's very friendly to beginners who are just wanting to get their foot in the door when it comes to app design. And you know what? I'm just gonna shut up and show you guys around the website. Let's go. So as you can see, they have a nice, friendly interface. Lots of nice colors. They give you some good examples of what you can do. Different apps that people have made, or that they've made for examples. There's a video that goes way more in depth than I'm going to go in this video. This is just simply a review, my experience. They give examples of some of the features on the website, which I find nice. I like it when companies and different softwares really describe what I'll be getting if I were to purchase the product. So that's always nice. Um, down down below, before I get into what's down the next page, one of the things that I love about Apploadyou is that it is super affordable. It's not high priced at all. You would think if you were going to get all the things that they mention, it would be like $50 or so for an app, but it's crazy. It's literally $10 a year for one app. You can even use it for free, just to make sure that you're comfortable with the builder and everything else. And I think that's awesome. You can do $25 a month if you just want unlimited apps. But for someone like me, I mean, I just want an app on the App Store for the sake of having an app on the App Store. So the one app works fine for me. And $10 a year, that's nothing. So yeah, that's one of the things that I love is the price points. And yeah, why don't I show you guys the builder? So as you can see, it opens up. There's a bunch of templates. Personally, I would use one of the templates. I think the templates are awesome, and they just start you off with everything you might need. But if you really wanted to, you could start from scratch. But I'm not that interested in app design. I would just like to have an app, so why not just use one of the templates? And I'd like to mention my computer is running super slow today. I'm sorry about that. So it might take a little while in between clicks to load the page, but what's really cool, if you look on the right side of the screen, you can actually preview what the app would look like on your phone, which I love. It's cool, so you don't have to wait until the last minute and then not like the way the app looks on your phone. So, and you can see all the features. I mean, they have like a financial feature where you can get like payment processes within your app. You can check the settings, the analytics. I mean, look how many options for color change there are. It's crazy. So you could literally just download this and go absolutely nuts with it, make whatever you want, and that's what I plan to do. I hope that's what you guys plan to do. Just have fun. But yeah, I mean, whether you want to use this for business, or if you have a school project, you need to get an app out, or I mean, if you're just like me and you want to have an app for the sake of having an app, I mean, I think this works perfectly. I think it's right in just about everybody's price range, and it's comfortable. It's not overwhelming. I mean, there's cute pictures to go with everything, so you always know what you're clicking on. There's not just a bunch of big random words, bunch of hard computer science mumbo jumbo that you don't know how to understand. So, yeah, I mean, just to dumb everything down, I would really recommend Apploadyou. And yeah, I'm gonna have a link to it in the description if you guys want to go pick it up. So, thank you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next video.